Hey YouTube, it's Sean, and I've been messing with this torch that we got from Cutworm on that mail call the other day, and I got it going. It works great. It's the TS7000 Berzomatic, and it's got this little on and off switch. Off, you can't fire it. On, you can, but all you had to do is push the button, and there it goes. This is to hold the flame on, just like that. Throws a good flame, and then you can adjust it right here. You can adjust your flame right down close. There we go. Thank you, Cutworm. God bless you, man. It had never been fired. I looked down inside there, and he said it had never been fired, and he was going to toss it. But I messed with it a little bit, and got her going. Works great. So there we go. We thank you, Cutworm. You guys go over there and check out CUTWORM59, and check out his Crosleys, check out his Heralds. Alright, you guys, take it easy, and God bless y'all. Bye-bye.